Alright guys, this will be the performance tutorial and review video for the Brain Bender card trick, which is the daily trick that we taught on Thursday. So to start out with for this trick, I'm just going to shuffle up the cards, just like that, and I'll stop shuffling whenever you'd like me to. Alright, stop right there. Okay, so now I'm going to get out some prediction cards. Okay. Okay, I think this will be one of them. Place that card right there. Yeah, okay, this will be the second one right here. And my final prediction. Yeah, this will be the third. Okay, so these are my three predictions right here, and I just tell me when to stop. Right here, okay, and we're just gonna dribble cards down on top of these cards, make piles on top of them. So now I'm going to explain to you what we're going to be doing. All right. So I'm going to be dealing down cards. I'll just deal down cards, and then you'll tell me when to stop. And once you say stop, we'll stop dealing cards, and we'll put your card in face up, my prediction card in face up, and we'll put the rest of the cards on top. All right. So now we'll do it for real, alright? So just tell me when to stop. Stop. Okay. Put that right there. Put the rest of the cards on top. And we'll do the same thing right over here. Just tell me when to stop. Stop. Okay. Place the next card right there. Put the rest of the cards on top. And one final time, just tell me when to stop. Stop. Okay, we'll place those cards right there. Place the rest of the cards on top, and now we will just stack up all the cards just like this, and we'll see where my predictions are, see where you stop me. So there's that. Okay, so we have my first prediction right here. We'll just take these cards right here. We'll take my second prediction right here, take these cards, and my third prediction. Get rid of these and take the third prediction, put them right here. And let's just see where you stop me. Well, it just so happens to be that after you told me when to stop whenever you wanted, and I stepped on a totally random number of cards, and I said totally random predictions, it just happens to be that you happen to stop me at the soulmates to my three predictions. See the 6 of spades and the 6 of clubs, 10 of clubs and 10 of spades, and the 4 of diamonds and the 4 of hearts. Alright guys, so now for the tutorial. So to do this trick, there's no setup required, which is a great thing, because I don't really like tricks with setups very much, because in there you can't do them whenever somebody asks you to do a trick, so it's not as amazing. But okay, so but to do the trick, you can let them shuffle the cards as much as they want, and then you say, alright, now I'm going to go through and get my predictions out, and to yourself, you look through, and you look, the prediction cards, your prediction cards will be the soulmate to the 5th card down from the top card, and the bottom card, alright? So I'll show you what I mean. Alright, I'll actually get this. So my 5th card down is the 4 of diamonds. Don't actually pull it out, so my 5th card down is the 4 diamonds. So the soulmate to the 4 diamonds, or the match to the 4 diamonds that I'd look for, is the 4 of hearts. So I'd look through to myself, but to yourself, you'd go through and look for the 4 of hearts, and that'd be your first prediction. You put it down on your left, I think. It doesn't really matter which side you put it down on. And then for the same thing, you'd go through, look for the top card. My top card is the 10 of clubs, so my second prediction will be the 10 of spades. Alright. And then my bottom card, I'll look for the soulmate to my bottom card, which is the Jack of hearts. So I will look for the Jack of diamonds. Boom, there's the Jack of diamonds. Place it down right there. And then what you do is you say, alright, now I'm going to dribble cards down, or just make some piles, and make sure you dribble the Jack of hearts, because that's the match of the Jack of diamonds. You want to dribble the cards down right there, so they're next to each other. So, and also when you're looking for the predictions, let me just note this. If you have a 5th card down from the top, and then the match to that card is right above it, or if like the match to the top card is above the four of hearts, diamonds, or that, then you need to redo the trick or shuffle the cards again, because then that'll make it so this card's actually the fourth card, and then the trick won't really work as well, or it won't work. It will not work if you do exactly what I'm doing, and you have to change the trick for it to work. So make sure that before you start that none of the matches to predictions or none of your prediction cards are above the fifth card, right? None of them, alright? So then what you do is you say, okay, and you drop cards, you drop the Jack of Hearts by the Jack of Diamonds, so the card that has the Jack of Hearts, you say, okay, we'll make that pile, and you just go from right to left, and you say, alright, we'll make that many, and right here, and then the pile used to explain what you're going to do is the pile has the prediction that is the match to the fifth card down from the top. So you say, alright, just tell me when to stop, and you go, okay, just tell me when to stop, or no, that's not what you do, sorry. You're explaining how you do the trick, how to do it, but what you're doing is you're actually setting up the deck or setting up the trick by doing it. So what you do is you say, all right, I'm going to be dealing down cards, and you're going to tell me when to stop. You say, I'm going to be dealing down cards, and as you're dealing cards, you say, I'm going to be dealing down cards, and you're going to tell me when to stop, and then you stop after dealing 4 cards, because the next card is the match. The 4 diamonds is the match to the 4 of hearts. So you make sure, okay, you're dealing on cards. Say, I'm going to be dealing on cards, and you're going to tell me when to stop. Alright, and it'll place the card in, face up, and put the rest of the cards on top. And you're right, okay, that was just an example, so now we'll actually do the real thing. And you say, alright, so tell me when to stop, and you just go boom, 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 stop. Alright, and you place the card in, face up, of course, and you put the rest of the cards on top. You move over to the next pile, and then you do the exact same thing. You say, alright, I'm going to deal the cards down, just tell me when to stop, but you don't have to explain it this time, you should do it. So just tell me when to stop. Stop, alright. You put it right there, just like that. And then what you do is you say, alright, now I'll do it one last time. And you say, just tell me when to stop. Stop, alright, place it right there, right here. And you stack them up from the pile that you just did, that you just told them to stop in. The one that you did, you stack that pile first, you take that pile first, and you stack that one on top of the one in the middle, the one next to it, and you stack that all these 2 piles, or this big pile now on top of this one. Alright, and then you spread the cards out, just like this, and you say, alright, let's see where my predictions are, see where you stopped me, or whatever you want to say, and you pull the cards out. So you pull out the 4 of hearts, and you take all the cards below that one, and then you set those right here. Same thing with the next prediction, so you do the same thing with the 10 of spades, or for me it's 10 of spades, or whatever your card is for the second prediction. And with the third prediction, or the one that's closest to the top, you don't take the bottom, you take the cards below the prediction. So you don't take these, you take the cards that are above it. So you say, okay, we'll take these cards, and you go like this, that, and you say, okay, we can just get rid of these, and you set them to the side. And then if you did it correctly, and if you follow the process perfectly, then it should work always, and you should obviously just say, well, isn't it amazing, and you can make up whatever you want, and you say, well, isn't it amazing, guys, that you told me when to stop dealing the cards, you basically controlled everything, and I just happened to pick these 3 cards, my predictions, and you just happened to stop me at the matches to my 3 predictions. You see the 4 diamonds and the 4 of hearts, 2 red 4s, what the... That's weird. Alright, well, it should have been the 10 of clubs in the middle, and the Jack of hearts over on the side. So that I guess I made a minor mistake, but that's alright. So just make sure that you do exactly what I did, or make sure that you practice the same way that I did, and make sure that you practice trick a lot, and practice it. Keep on practicing it. And then if you did that correctly, I think I might have done it incorrectly, but if you do everything properly, and if you just practice, I'm sure that you'll be able to do this trick if it's your favorite. So make sure to practice this trick if it's your favorite, and see you guys later, and make sure to practice for the show once again, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, thanks for watching.